He have a wheel on the beautiful plant.
Come on, boy.
Hey. I sit on the plane. Hi kids, want to see horses? Hi. Hi. Now we walk to the pub. Take about 20-25 minutes. We can do cycle in here and walk the dog. Quite scary to walk. Got no footpath. Hopefully the car not hit us. Have to watch the live band. Finally, it's hot dog for the dog. Now we're gonna play the ball.
Mega fail, okay? So if you rush over now.
We've been to the Village Fete. That's what we got. And I got the coconuts. That is I won from the games. I never win anything in my life. This is my first prize. What can I do with this coconut?
Apart from talking about it, we eat it.
Yeah, eat it. So we're gonna break it and we drink the juice and coconut meat. So we need the knife, are we? Now we are in South Wales Aviation Museum. Now we are inside the museum. Okay.
60 years old, that's off of VC10. The tornado, hopefully later this year, we'll be outside doing ground runs.
That one, yeah?
Yeah, straight over on the seat.
I've got short legs.
You did it as well. You can stand on the seat, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that white one up there.
I sit on the plane.
Wow.
Look on this one. Royal Navy. I'm gonna look inside. Look at this. Wow. I'm inside the plane. Look at that guy. Hello, how are you? Hi. Wow, amazing. Now we go look something to eat for our breakfast. And they got the cafe in there. Cafe gift upstairs. This is inside the cap. It looks clean. Got cake also. Nice. Cute. Right, now my dog have the breakfast. Nice. I like it. It's the breakfast. Nice breakfast.
Sausage. Sausage is nice.
Yeah. They're coming. Red arrows.